An encounter broke out between terrorists and security forces following a search operation in a locality on the outskirts of Jammu on Friday, officials said. The encounter in Sunjavan took place amid heightened security arrangements in Jammu and Kashmir, 2 days ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's scheduled visit to Samba district. One assistant sub-inspector of CISF attained martyrdom in the pre-dawn attack. Initial reports said that one terrorist was also eliminated in the retaliatory action of the forces. Unconfirmed reports said that at least 11 security personnel have received injuries in the ongoing encounter with terrorists at the Jalabad area of Sunjavan in Jammu. All injured have been shifted to Government Medical College and Hospital for treatment. Additional Director General of Police of Jammu, Mukesh Singh, said the encounter started when the Police's Special Operations Group and the CRPF launched a joint search operation in the area. The encounter is going on and further details are awaited, he said. Officials said the operation was launched on a specific information about the presence of at least 2 terrorists planning to carry out a major attack in the city.